Dear students, welcome to the 8th part of our tutorial in orthographic projection. In previous parts, we draw the top view and the front view, deduce and draw the side view. Now, we'll learn how to add some dimensions and annotations to our drawing. In order to put dimensions to drawing, we have to go to this panel here. Under this annotation panel, we have dimension and we have text. The text will use it for labeling the views, and the dimension will use it for adding dimensions. This is an auto dimension or power dimension tool. If you need to use manual dimensions, we can click this button and see what kinds of dimensions we can precisely add. We can add aligned dimensions, horizontal dimension, vertical dimension, rotated dimensions for angles, radius, arc length, diameter, or baseline or chain dimension. I prefer to use the power dimension tool, and we'll know how to use it. Click the power dimension tool and we'll begin to add dimensions to our drawing. Here is the dimension panels, and down we have the kinds that I mentioned before: linear, angular, radial, baseline, chain, update. If you put any capital letters, you can switch to precise dimension. At this moment we don't need. We'll take, when F3, our F3 object snap is on, we'll take the dimension from this line here. Move your mouse up and you'll have horizontal dimension. It's automatically given by 160. I'll click enter. I'll take the width of my object from here to here. Again, I'll move my mouse down horizontally and click, and it gives me the width of my object. Now we can add some diameter. In order to add radial or diameter dimension, we have to hit spacebar. I'll hit spacebar. Look here. The dimension is switched to circle or R. I come close to my cylinder and gives me a radius dimension of my cylinder. Okay. Put another dimensions for my rectangle here. So I'll click here. This is my rectangle dimension. In order to edit the text of the dimension, you have to hit enter. In order to get rid of a dimension, double click our dimension text, and we can add symbols or anything we need before dimension. We'll try to find the rectangular symbol here. We have symbols, insert symbol. Here's my rectangle symbol. I insert it, click, and you'll see that it gives me that this is a rectangle, and the distance, the length of the side of this rectangle is 30 millimeter. How can we add a label to our drawing? We'll go back to Annotation tab, Annotation panel, sorry. Click this small button. Something happened, you didn't want to click with me. I'll change to layers and go back to this one, and I'll take multi-line text tool. Under the front view, I'll draw kind of rectangle or text box, we call it. Here we have the text editor tab. It opens. That allows me to change my font. I'll change it to 5. Enter, and we can see that it's here. We can change the line type. Let us take Cambria line type, and here we can align our paragraph or our text. I'll take center. You can add some symbols here if you wish. So we'll write the name of our view. We'll make the caps on and click front, right front view. Click outside the text box and our label is ready. I'll repeat it again. Multiple text. The font is 5. Cambria. This is my font name and center. Take 5 again. Enter, and this is my top view. You can do more easy way by copying. We'll go to copy tool here, and I'll copy this text. Enter. I'll copy it from here and I'll put it. I'll switch off my ortho mode. I'll put it here. You can copy for this one if you don't want, because we have already set everything as we see. We have the 5 here, we have the font, we have the center. I just double click the text and edit it. So I'll write here side view. Click outside the text box and our labels is ready. Hit your save button and try to exercise your dimensions to the other objects of our drawing. Goodbye for this lesson.